Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great. This is Pradeep Kumar from DeviceBAR. In this video, we will see how to send confidential emails on Gmail mobile app and website. So let's check it out. The user interface for doing all this might change in the future. If that happens, please let us know in the comments. We will share the updated steps for this. We use the email technology to send and receive sensitive content, let it be personal or professional stuff. And if we want that to be extra private and confidential, then there is a way to do that on Google's Gmail service. This is not like an advanced end-to-end encryption, but more like an extra security measure. To do this on our Gmail mobile app, we have to take our smartphone and open the Gmail app. And we have to select our required Gmail or Google account. If we haven't, then we have to select this compose option at the bottom. And we have to select this three-dot menu at the top. And here we will have the confidential mode. Select that. So these are the settings we have. We can enable or disable this. And we also have the option to set the expiry date. 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, 3 months, 5 years. And we can also enable a passcode option. We can make this standard or SMS. So yeah, these are the options we have. We have to select the save option at the top. If I simply go back, it won't be enabled. So we have to select the save option and then we will get something like this. Here we can see the expiry date and the information here. They won't get the option to forward, copy, print or download this email. But unfortunately, they can take a screenshot of this email if they want. So I will send a sample email now. Suppose if I want this email to be confidential, then I can select this three-dot menu, go to this confidential mode and save this. That's all. Now I'll send this email. That's all. So let's see how this email looks. Okay, this is how it will look for us. Suppose if we want to remove the access, we can select this. If we change our mind, we can do that. After this, they won't be able to view the email content. It will be expired. So now I'll open the other email account to see this email. So we can see the email now. So this is my other email account, the one to which I sent the email. I'll just open this. You will get this loading. Okay. So we get the information when it is going to expire and they are mentioning that I don't have the option to forward, copy, print or download this email. So yeah, that's all. But like I said before, we can take a screenshot of this if we want. We can't control that. Also, if we have enabled the passcode option and entered our phone number for SMS, which we have to add along with our country code, then we will get this email. So we can select the send passcode option here and we have to enter the OTP to confirm and view the email. That's all. So I can enter the OTP now. After entering the verification code, we can submit this and we can see the message. If I open any other normal emails, we usually get the option to forward this and we can also print this email. We can do all the other tasks. So that will be the difference between this and the confidential emails. And to do this on the Gmail website version, we have to open a web browser and go to gmail.com and log into our required Google or Gmail account. Then we have to go to this compose option. We'll get a pop-up like this. Here we have to select this lock plus clock icon. Select this and we will get the same options we saw on the Gmail mobile app. So we can select that and we will get like this. That's all. This is how the email will look. So yeah, that's all. These are the steps to send confidential emails on Gmail mobile app and website. Thanks for watching this video. Do kindly share your questions and thoughts in the comment section. Please do subscribe if you find this video helpful. Have a wonderful day and night.